Waxing isiXhosa grammar, demonstrative pronouns. So how do we say this or these in isiXhosa? Well, with the words in the noun class that start with a letter I, we have words like into, thing, imoto, the car, and indoda, the man. And this becomes lento, lemoto, lendoda, this thing, this car, this man. With the words that start with izi or I with a double I, we have words like izinto, things, intombi, the girls, and izindlu, the houses, and that becomes ezizinto, these things. Ezintombi, these girls, ezizindlu, these houses. Then words that start with an u, like umtu, the person, umbuzo, the question, and umlungu, the white person. We say lo at the beginning, dropping the u. So we have lomtu, this person, lombuzo, this question, lomlungu, this whitey. Then words that start with aba, like abafazi, the woman, abantu, the people, and abafundi, the learners or the students. We add an extra aba. So we have ababafazi, these women, ababantu, these people, ababafundi, these learners, these students. And then our nouns that start with an I or an ili, but that have that l sound in their prefixes, or at least in the concords that follow, we have eli for this. So we have, instead of ikaya, the home, igumbi, the room, and ibali, the story, we get elikaya, this home, eligumbi, this room, elibali, this story. Andiyiqondi lento, I don't understand this. So lento is often used to just mean this in general. We will see later oku as well, but you can think of it as this thing, right? So I don't understand it, this thing. Andiyi, it. Qondi, understand, in the negative, this thing. Zinhle kakhulu ezizindlu. These houses are very beautiful. So they are very beautiful, ezizindlu, these houses. Uyamazi lomtu. Do you know this person? Uyamazi, do you know him or her? The M is the third person, him or her. Lomtu, this person. Bazofunda phi ababafundi. Where are these students going to study or learn? Bazo, they will. Funda phi, study where, these students. Ndiyalithanda elibali. I like this story. I like it, this story. Then for some other noun classes like the words amadoda, the men, amanzi, the water, and amakaya, the homes, we will see the following. So note that this is generally a plural noun class, but you have some words that are singular like amanzi for water, but it also starts with this ama. So we get lamadoda, these men, lamanzi, this water, lamakaya, these homes. And then isonka, bread, isikolo, school, and isipo, the gift, become esisonka, this bread, esiskolo, this school, and esisipo, this gift. And our words that start with an u, that also have an l or a lu sound in the concords, we get this olu. So instead of ulwazi, meaning knowledge or information, you can see the root, the azi, which is the verb to know. And then usapo, the family, and uhambo, the trip or the journey. We get olulwazi, this information. Olusapo, this family, and oluhambo, this journey, this trip. And our words ubusika, the winter, ubomi, the life, and ubushushu, the heat. So this ubu is generally a noun class for very generic things, very general abstract entities. So we get obu busika, this winter, obubomi, this life, and obu bushushu, this heat. And oku is another way of saying this. Instead of saying lento, this thing, we can say oku, and it's like our ku, the general it, and now it's this it, oku. Or we can use it with noun classes starting with uku. So oku kucha, this food. Ndingawasela lamanzi, can I drink this water? Ndinga, I can, wa, it referring to the water, sela, drink. Ndiyasithanda esisipho, I like this gift, I love it, this gift. Enkosi ngolulwazi, thank you for this information. So yeah, we have olulwazi and nga ngolulwazi for this information. Obubusika bubanda kakhulu, this winter is very cold. So banda is the verb to be cold. Oku akulunganga, this is not okay, this is not fair. So instead of saying kulungile, it is okay. Akulunganga, it is not okay.